Oh, hello. Happy birthday.
How did you know, Grampy?
How did I know that it's Ella's birthday?
Yes, how did you know it's Ella's birthday?
Scout told me.
Scouty!
Yeah, hi Scout.
Scouty, look at Ella.
There
You
she
see
is.
Ella? She's
there.
up there.
Yeah, hi.
Up there.
Oh,
Oh, that's Scouty's
Scout
whale.
took my hat. We're going to sing for you.
Ella, this is Rosie. I don't think you know Rosie.
Yeah. Does she know Rosie?
No, I don't think so.
I don't think so. You want to sing Happy Birthday, Scout?
Want to help us, Scouty?
Scout's going to say what? Okay. Okay, Scout said okay. Are you ready? Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ella. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, a kiss for Ella. And hi, Oliver. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Daddy. Happy birthday, sweet Ella. We love you.
Take care.
Turn off the camera. Bye.
Bye.